Hi guys, I'm Nika and in this video I will show you my cat's cafe. Let's go! Did you hear it? It was on the street. Let's see. Oh, it's a cat, Ron! Hello, Ron! Good morning! Let's go to our cafe. Cafe. Hello, Nika! I want to try some food and drinks in your cafe. Okay. Ron, look at our menu and tell me what do you want to eat or to drink, okay? I want 3 raspberries, 1 cup of tea, 1 donut, and 1 raspberry jam, please. How much do I have to pay? You have to pay 2 diamonds and 3 gold ingots. Okay, here you are. Thank you, Ron. Please wait for 1 minute and I will give you your food and drinks. Let's go to my little kitchen and bring 1 donut, 3 raspberries, 1 cup of tea, chocolate. Chocolate is for free, and 1 raspberry jam. Here you are, Ron. Do you want something else or that's all? I want chocolate ice cream, please. And how much do I have to pay for this ice cream? You have to pay 2 gold ingots. Here you are. Okay, let's go and give him chocolate ice cream. Let's go. Now in my inventory I have chocolate ice cream. Ron! You didn't take your raspberry jam. And there's your ice cream. Do you want to go to other cats? Yes! I want to see other cats. For example, brown cats. Okay, come after me. Ron? Oh, you here, okay. This cat's room. There are Harry, Milo, Brownie, Sam, Luke, and Chocolate. Please don't sit in this chair. There are raw salmons and raw codes. Hello, Ron. I'm Harry. What are your hobbies? What do you want, for example, to do or to eat? Please tell me something about you. Okay, hello. My name's Ron. My hobby is to eat delicious food and play computer games. I like do these 2 things, and I like chocolate ice cream. My favorite color is orange because I'm orange, and I have got a lot of friends. Please tell me something about you, Harry. Okay, you know, my name is Harry. I like to sleep. It's my hobby. I like to play with my friends. My favorite color is red. And I have got a big family. And I've got a lot of friends. For example, you. Oh, that's cute. That you said that I'm your friend. Unfortunately, I have to go. Bye bye. Bye bye, Ron. See you soon. Ron, you have to go, yes? Yes, I have to go. Okay, bye bye, Ron. Have a good day. And visit our cafe one more time. Bye bye, guys. With you was Nika.